Hey everyone, today I will show you how to add public profile on Snapchat. First, open the Snapchat app on your mobile device. Right after, click on your profile picture in the top left corner of the screen. Once in here, you should be able to see or find a public profile page. So you'll just have to select on that option. If this is your first time using it, you should be able to see some information about what a public profile is. So you'll just need to review the information, then tap on continue. Right after, you can now set up your public profile picture. So just select the edit icon on the upper part of the screen. From here, you could also update your profile picture, add in your bio, location, or you could choose to show your follower count and edit the background image. Right after, once you're done, you could now start posting spotlight snaps. Also, you could add in stories and add a public story. So just customize your profile by adding a photo, bio, and other information that you want other Snapchat users to see. And that is just basically how you add a public profile on Snapchat. If you found this video helpful, subscribe to the channel and leave a like.